If you want to replace a boring or messy video background without using green screens or advanced editing software, OpenArt AI makes this incredibly simple. And in this video, I'll show you how you can change a video background using AI with OpenArt AI step by step. And before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so open it now and let's follow along. And before we start, let us discuss what this will do. So what AI video background change actually does. So AI video background replacement works by separating the subject from the background frame by frame. OpenArt AI automatically detects people or objects in your video and replaces everything behind them with a new background. So for example, I have this video right over here that I will use as a base. So we have this candy, festive candy, and what I will do, I will just tell AI to remove or completely blur out fully everything that's behind it. So for example, we have as I suppose, this is a tree, like a Christmas tree, or a New Year's tree, and I will remove everything so that only the candy is left in the frame. So pretty much just the background is being removed. So it automatically detects people or objects in your video and replaces everything behind them with a new background. And this is perfect for talking head videos, YouTube intros and shorts, ads and promos, social media content, and product videos. No green screen required. And before we begin, let me tell you how to prepare your video properly. So before uploading your video, make sure it's ready. Best results come from a clear subject in the foreground. So for example, let's say this guy over here, right? So he is in the foreground, and the background, as you can see, is slightly blurred. So this is a park or something, I suppose. And we have the bench, the grass, the lights, the kind of a lake or a river, whatever that is. So you should have a object in the foreground so that you remove everything or just change everything that's on the back. So make sure that this kind of video is, is the one you'll be working with. Also, good lighting on a person works well, minimal motion blur, and short clips for clearer processing. And if possible, just choose your video in MP4 format. That's going to be perfect. And now let us begin. So how do we start? We just need to scroll all the way up from our home screen, and in here, what's happening? And in here, in this interface, you just choose the video, right? So in our case, we will just use the video to video preset. So just go ahead and click that. You can also use the video tab right over here and start working in here. And now guys, we're dropped into this interface, and what do we have? So on this, well, sort of like a center space, we have our media panel, so pretty much everything that you upload, and also your videos that have been made, generated or edited with AI, they will also appear here. And in order to begin, as you can see, we will need to upload our video in here, and then we can start. So we'll grab that same video that I've shown, just click here, then upload, and let us begin. Alright, so this is my festive candy video. Now uploading. Alright, so I chose another video because for some reason it did not allow me to choose a video that's more than 10 seconds. So you just choose the video and upload it, and this is going to be, of course, our video that we will change, so the reference video. And now, what's next? Of course, the most important part is your description, which is going to be, of course, your AI prompt that you will use to remove or change the background. So this video does not have a complex background, but I can still add and change something. So I don't know, in my case, I will just go ahead and add some kind of cars on the background, like roads, cars, lights, the traffic, so that you can see that you can actually do this. Also, if you're willing to adjust your prompt in a way to just remove the background, you can also do that. And of course, make sure to understand that if the background is very complex and it's also in the foreground, then it will be harder to remove, but I guess it's AI, so it's still possible. And now guys, when you're ready to start editing, you just choose your prompt, right? So just type it in. I will just type in what I just said. Okay, and there you go. The prompt can be something like this. As you can see, nothing complicated, just adding some car lights and some atmospheric night time. And after that, you of course can add audio or add the voice. Maybe if you wish to narrate the video or just add some music, you can do that. If not, just choose the duration. In our case, is going to be 5 seconds because the video is 6 seconds. And I will just make it a cinema, the same aspect ratio. And then when you're ready to begin, something that of course you wish to change as well is of course the model with which will be used to create the video. So this is the AI model. As you can see, it's high prompt adherence and outstanding aesthetics. I will actually choose this one because it has enhanced realism. Choose that. As you can see now, the video is changed. And in here, as you can see now, we can choose the resolution. I will choose maximum, the full HD duration. Let's change to 10 seconds. Audio none. Oh, actually there is. And it's a single type shot. There you go. Also, you can, as you can see, add another video if you wish. And then when you're ready, as you can see, 350 credits will be charged for this. And just press on create, give this a little time, and now your video is being created. Alright guys, as you can see now, our video is created successfully. It took about a few minutes. And now, as you can see, it's quite handsome. I like it. Pretty well done. As you can see, just like I said, I wanted some traffic lights, some cars in the background. So it did its job perfectly fine. As you can see, the video turned out to be 5 seconds. And as you can see, we have here which model was used, what was the prompt, the creation mode, duration, quality, etc., etc. And also the original video that you can view and compare. And now you can just go ahead and download it like this, or just download as MP4 with audio. Alright, bingo, and as you can see, if I open it up, now we have our video, which is amazing. So pretty well done, nice quality, I like it a lot. So this is pretty much how you use the OpenArt AI for changing the background of your videos. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, of course, don't forget about the link that we left for you in the video description if you wish to start quickly with OpenArt. Enjoy and see you soon.